every one of us in our school days would have surely gone to a school picnic, a school tour. Similarly, in this chapter, we are going to look inside where Sheila is going for her school picnic. Sheilayaha Pravasah. The name of the girl is Sheila. By saying Sheilayaha, we mean of Sheila, tour of Sheila. So let's begin and find out where is she going. प्रिय छात्राः, नमस्ते। मैं हूँ आपकी संस्कृत आचार्य डॉक्टर नम्रता। नमस्ते संस्कृत YouTube चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। हमारे साथ जुड़िए। Press the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon. So let's get started. Arambham kurmah. There are many conscious mothers. As soon as the kid goes inside the school bus and is about to reach or has reached the school picnic place, mother calls to the class teacher and asks about where is my daughter? Is she fine? And then she has this urge to talk to her daughter because maybe this is the first picnic she went to. So this is a conversation between Savita, Shikshika. Savita is the name of mother of Sheila. Sheilayaha Mata, Savita. This is Savita and this is Shikshika, a female teacher. Savita says, Brahmana bhasham dhritva, after holding the mobile phone. Mobile phone is called Brahmana bhasha because Brahmana means gumna firna. Okay? So because it is wireless, if it was a landline phone, then we would have said Duravani. But Brahmana bhasha, घूमते फिरते सभी जगह पे बात हो सकती है. That's why mobile phone is called Brahmana bhashah. Brahmana bhasham dhritva, after holding or after grabbing a mobile phone, she says Harihi Om. Harihi Om is an ancient used method for hello. Do you know हम hello क्यों बोलते हैं? जिसने टेलीफोन इन्वेंट किया उसने फर्स्ट कॉल अपने गर्लफ्रेंड को किया और उसका नाम हेलो है, लेकिन हम सभी वो यूज करने लगे. बट ट्रेडिशनली इफ यू आर टॉकिंग वी से नेम ऑफ एनी गॉड और सर्वदेव समभाव हरि. हरि इज द नेम ऑफ ऑल गॉड. हरि ही ओम इज अ वर्ड फॉर हेलो इन संस्कृत. सो शी सेज हरि ओम. सो शिक्षिका रिप्लाइज हरि ओम. कह वदति, हु इज स्पीकिंग? Savita says, Aham Sheilayaha Mata Vadami. I am Sheila's mother talking. Pravase Mama Putri Asti. And your picnic, in your tour, my daughter is also there. Shikshika says, Am Asti. Yes, Sheila is here. Am Asti. Yes, she is here. Kinchit Karyam Asti Va. Va means or. When used at the end of a sentence, it also means a question. कुछ काम था क्या? Is there any work? So do you have any work? Do you want to ask anything to her? So Savita says, aham taya sah vartalapam kartum ichhami. I wish to talk to her. Taya sah, with her. Vartalapam, talk. Shikshika Sheilam prati brahmana bhasham preshayati. Preshayati, to send. So that's why she passes over her phone to Sheila. Sheilam prati, towards Sheila. Okay, so wherever she is sitting on the school bus or whether they are outside at a place, she just passes the phone and says, when your mother is here, just talk to her. So Sheila is here and Sheila takes the mobile and says, Amba, katham asti, sarvam kushalam va. Katham asti, how are you? Is everything okay? Sarvam kushalam asti va. Aham kushalini. Yes, I am all right. Bhavatyaha pravasah katham prachalati. Prachalati, going on. How is your tour going on? Pravasah tu samyak prachalati. Please note down this word. Samyak means fine. All right, okay. So my picnic is going very well. Adhuna aham ajanta guhayam asmi. Guha means gufa, caves. Ajanta caves. So she is already there at the designated place, Ajanta caves. So Adhuna is right now, Samprati, right now. Right now I am in Ajanta caves. So Savita, her mother, is like, very good, Shobhanam, good. Tatra kim kim asti, and she just begins talking. वैसे कुछ काम नहीं था. She is like very curious कि मेरी बच्ची first time कहीं गई है, तो मैं उसको पूछूं, is everything all right, क्या क्या देखा and all that. That drives the whole conversation to the rest of the chapter. Tatra kim kim asti, what all is there? Sheila begins saying atra, okay, because now mother is saying tatra, there, but Sheila is already in the Ajanta Guha, so she says atra, here. Atra anekani chitrani shilpani cha santi. Here there are many chitra, meaning the pictures, and shilpani means sculptures. बहुत सारे शिल्प क्रिया है, यानी कि sculptures वहां पे कार्व किए गए हैं. Mother says tatra kani chitrani santi. She wants to know, which type of pictures are there in that particular place. Sheila says this whole thing. Bhagavataha buddhasya shilpam sundaram asti. There is one sculpture of Buddha, buddhasya, of Buddha, that is very beautiful. Anyatya, and other is Chaturmukhasya harinasya chitram api manoharam asti. Chaturmukhasya, having 4 faces. Harinaha is a deer. So a deer with 4 faces is also very unique and beautiful. Manoharam means beautiful, but indirectly, if we want to just break the word and manaha becomes mind, hara means one who drags our mind, one who steals our mind, meaning beautiful. Atra bahuni sundarani chitrani api santi. Here there are many beautiful pictures as well. Api is also. So mother asks, Padma panehi chitram tatra asti va? Now we need to understand who is Padma Pani. Padma means lotus. Pani means hand. Pani doesn't mean, in Gujarati we say pani apone. So pani is not water in Sanskrit. Pani arthat karaha. Now tell me, which is the god who holds a lotus? Of course there are many gods, but we will just take the prasiddha artha, Vishnu. Padma panehi chitram asti va? Is there any photo of Vishnu? Meaning a lotus hand Vishnu? Asti. She replies, yes, there is. Asmabhi saha margadarshakah api asti. And do you know, we also have a margadarshakah, a tour guide. Okay? Because this place is new to us, so we need a guide जो हमें guide कर सके, right? तो margadarshakah api asti. Now, if you closely observe this line given in your textbook, Harinasya chitram api manoharam. So I wish to know if this is the same word given in your textbook as well. Just make it halant like this, half ma. It is not complete ma. Make a last slanting line. That means halant, ma is half. Manoharam. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Then mother says, Saha kim kathayati. What is the tour guide saying to you? What does he narrate to you? Saha Baudha Guhayaha Vishaye Asmabhihi Saha Vartalapam Karoti. He just talks with every one of us regarding Buddha Guha caves. The Buddhism caves that we have there. He just talks more and more about it with all of us. Asmabhihi Saha, all of us. Apicha means moreover. Guhayaha itihasam api ma kathayati. Now in this sentence also api ma is written. Guhayaha itihasam is fine. Api and ma, just separate these two words. Api is good. Ma is a different word with a anuswar on the top. Mam. Okay, or dot at the top. It means Guhayaha itihasam api mam kathayati. He also tells me the history of these caves. Mother asks, Tesha sthananam kanichita chaya chitrani anayatu. So anayatu is bring. So please bring some photograph. Okay, so we need to understand this thing. If it is any type of photo, we say chitra, chitram in Napusakling. If it's a portrait photo, meaning my passport size photo or my family photo or something where human beings, real human beings appear, that one is called Chhaya Chitram. So she is asking कि थोड़े बहुत अपने वहां के टूर के फोटोज भी लाना. तेषां स्थानानां. Please bring some photographs of those places as well. Sheila says, Avashyam aneshyami. I'll surely will bring those. Then the mother wants to know, Ajanta taha pravasah kutra gamishyati. Where will this tour go after Ajanta? So Ajanta is a name, and after we add taha to this word, taha means from. Wahan se. Aap kahan jane wale hai? And this structure of taha is common for any word. May the word be pullinga, strilinga, napusaklinga. Despite of any gender, adding taha at the end of the word makes the sense from that place. Many examples are given here. So she narrates, after this place we will go next. Ajanta taha vayam Gushreshwaram. From Ajanta we will go to Gushreshwar. Gushreshwar taha Shirdim. From Gushreshwar we will go to Shirdi. Shirdi taha Trambakeshwaram. From Shirdi we will go to Trambakeshwar. Trambakeshwar taha Nasikam Gamishyamaha. Gamishyamaha vayam. All of us shall go from Trambakeshwar to Nasik. Okay? So जहां से निकले उस प्लेस के बाद में तह ऐड करने से मीनिंग हो जाएगा from, और जहां पहुंचना चाहते हैं वहां पे कोई भी शब्द हो ऊपर आप अनुस्वार या आधा म लिखेंगे तो वहां पे हम जाने वाले हैं वो अर्थ है from this place to that place. So let us understand which are these words and places. So right now they are at Ajanta. Ajanta taha Gushreshwaram. Gushreshwarataha Shiradim. Shiraditaha Trambakeshwaram. Trambakeshwarataha Nasikam Gamishyamaha. This is the sentence, right? And not again from Nasik to Ajanta. Till this place they are having the Pravasaha. So now we know Shilayaha Pravasaha in this chapter. What is the route they are going to take and doing a lot of divine places, darshan, and back to Nasik. Next is, mother says, Shobhanam. Very good. Pravasaha shikshanasya bhagah eva asti. So it is not like shikshan means only taking out textbook, notebooks, and then writing notes and then making projects and giving exams. This is not the limit of education. So she adds that shikshanasya bhagaha. What? Pravasaha. Going to a tour, going to a picnic is a part of your education itself. Tarhi samyak ritya. Split this word samyak, half ka, and the ra and e. Ritya. Samyak ritya. Samyak ritya pravasam karotu. Go to your tour, do your picnic very well. So attend everything. Just don't roam around here and there, closing your ears. Just take notes mentally. What is the guide saying? What discussions are there in the event of the places? So this is also a learning experience. Bhavati yat yat pashyati tat sarvam tippani pustake likhatu. Okay, now she is advising mental note nahi. Take a tippani pustakam, notebook. And whatever you see, just write everything in a notebook. So she says, avashyam lekhishyami. Oh, surely I am going to write it. Savita says, mother, apicha, and moreover, pravasa sthanasya visheshatam tatha tasya sthanasya itihasya vishaye api likhatu. Just don't write, हम ये place पे गए, फिर ये. Place के नाम के साथ you also write the itihasa and visheshata. What is the speciality of that place? Why is that place popular? So write the visheshata as well as itihasa, the history of that place. Sheila says, avashyam, surely. Bhavatu. So Bhavatu means okay. Now I have to go. My teacher is calling. My friends are calling me. Bhavatu. Okay. Namo Namaha. So Namo Namaha, Namaste. 2 times we are saying Namaha, Namaha. And because 2 बार बोल रहे हैं और एक शब्द में क्लब करना है तो वो ओ हो जाता है. Namo Namaha. And mother also wishes Namo Namaha. Now you must be thinking, she is the daughter, so she says Namaste. Why is mother also greeting her Namaste, Namo Namaha? The reason is because divinity, Divyata, the Antaryami Swarup of Paramatma resides in each one of us. So by saying Namo Namaha to each other, we are not just going down to a particular person, the outer layer. We are going down to the Antaryami Swarup of Paramatma within us. Okay? So that's why Namo Namaha is coming from both sides. Astu, Vina Vilambena Gachamaha Abhyasa Karye. Let's solve the exercise. Prathamaha Prashnaha. Pronounce the following words properly. Let's say each of the words twice. And we will discuss the meaning as well. Brahmana Bhashaha. Brahmana Bhashaha. Mobile phones. Kinchit. Here is half. Concentrate on Ch and E. Kinchit. Some. Preshayati. Preshayati. To send. Samyak. Okay, good. Samyak. Prachalati. Going on. Prachalati. Ajanta. Now there are 2 variations given in your textbook. One is ta, another is ta. Ajanta or Ajanta. Both are correct as you say the name. Here it is ta, so let us say like that. Ajanta Guhayam. Ajanta Guhayam. Chatur Mukhasya. Chatur Mukhasya of Brahma. Padma Panehe. Padma Panehe of Vishnu. Baudha Guhayaha. Baudha Guhayaha of Buddhist cave. Trambakeshwaram. Trambakeshwaram. The Trambakeshwar temple. Why Trambakeshwar? So it has basically 3 words. Tri Ambaka Ishwaram. Ishwar, God, who is having 3 Ambaka Netra. Shiva is having 3 Netra. That's why Trambakeshwara is the name. Gushneshwarataha. Gushneshwarataha. From Gushveshwar. Tipani Pustakam. Tipani Pustakam. Notebook. Dvitiyaha Prashnaha. Answer the following questions in Sanskrit. Whether it is one word or complete sentence, we are going to discuss both ways. Ka durabhasham karoti. Who is doing the telephone? Who is calling? Ka Shilayaha Mata. To replace this in one word, we can directly write Savita. Savita durabhasham karoti. But because we know who is Savita, Shilayaha Mata. Okay, so both ways are correct. You write Shilayaha Mata, mother of Shila, or just the word Savita. Both are correct. Shila kasyaha putri asti. Now this is a very important question because there are high chances of getting the answer wrong because of one simple grammatical mistake. We understand feminine words, striling words as Namrata, Savita, Sheila, Mata. Everything is one only. But there is a difference on the root of the word. So Savita is not the word ending in A like it appears to be. Okay? So instead of Savita, Yaha, please don't write Savita, Yaha. We have to write Savituhu in genitive, Shashti Vibhakti. Similarly, Mata, Pita are also words that seems to be like Radha and Sita. But we are not going to write Mata Yaha, Pita Yaha. It's Matuhu, Pituhu, of mother, of father. Similarly, whose daughter is Sheila? Daughter of Savita, Savituhu. So please make a big star on this. Very important. Agre. Sheila kutra gacchati? Where is Sheila going? So, simple answer is the name of the chapter, Sheelayaha Pravasah. So, she is going to the tour. Pravasam gacchati. Optionally, you can also mention now she is at Ajanta Guha. So, Ajanta Guham gacchati. But according to me, Pravasam is a more authentic answer. Sheila kim kim pashyati? What all is Sheila looking at? Sheila anekani chitrani shilpani cha pashyati. Cha is at the end to say many pictures and sculptures. Chitrani shilpani cha at the end. Agre prashnah asti. You have to look at this illustration and then follow to make suitable questions. Sheila Ajanta Guhayam asti. Okay. So the word given underlined is in or at, on, location. Sheila is in the Ajanta caves right now. So I want to ask question. So my question will be Kutra. Kutra means where. Where is Sheila? And then the answer is Sheila is at this particular place. Similarly, Maheshaha, Farida and Sunanda asti are there. Where? In the garden, Vatikayam, at the park, Shalayam, in the school. Replace each and every of these words with Kutra and replace this Purna Viram with question mark. So our question will be Maheshaha Kutra asti? Harida Kutra asti? Sunanda Kutra asti? So where is Mahesh, where is Farida and where is Sunanda? Simple. Agri Mahaprashnaha. In this type of sentence, we have been asked to make two particular questions. Sheila Gruhatah Mandiram Gacchati. She is going to the temple from the house. Okay. So, we will replace the word Grihataha with Kutaha. Sheila Kutaha Mandiram Gacchati. From where is Sheila going to the temple? Sheila Grihataha Kutra Gacchati. So, when we are asked to replace the word Mandiram, then we are asking the same Kutra that we just did in the second question. Sheila Grihataha Kutra Gacchati. From the house, where is Sheila going to? So, Kutaha means from where and Kutra means just where. Okay. So, we are going to make two type of question. लेकिन disclaimer. ऐसा question मत बना देना जिसमें शीला कुतः कुत्र गच्छति एक ही लाइन में हो जाए. शीला कहाँ से कहाँ जा रही है. हमें स्टेप बाय स्टेप करना है तो हम दो अलग अलग क्वेश्चंस बनाएंगे. पहले इसका नरेंद्र कुतः गृहं गच्छति. Second question now. Focusing on this word. Narendra कार्यालयतः कुत्र गच्छति. So Narendra कार्यालयतः गृहं गच्छति. Narendra is going from the office to his home. Astu. Similarly, next question. Let's look at the next one. Vinayah kridanganatah vatikam gacchati. He is going from the playground to the park. So, replacing kridanganatah will be with kutaha. Vinayah kutaha vatikam gacchati. And for replacing vatikam, we are again going to say kutra because it's the name of the place. Vinayah kridanganatah kutra gacchati. Now, if we want to replace the next Palanpuratah, Alaka, this girl named Alaka, Palanpuratah Gandhinagaram gacchati. Alka, Kutaha Gandhinagaram gacchati. From where is she going to Gandhinagar? Now, replacing the word Gandhinagaram, Alka Palanpuratah Kutra gacchati. Where is Alka going from Palanpur? Okay, so I'll repeat again. If you want to replace this word, use Kutaha. For replacing this word, use Kutra. And don't forget the Prashna Chinham. Now let's talk about genitive case. Shashti Vibhakti. Shashti Vibhakti just means those things are not me, but those things are mine. Correct? So I won't say Natarajava Chitram. The Chitram is of Nataraj. Okay? So Natarajasya. By just adding this simple half sa with ya, it means of. In Hindi, we say iska, iske, iski. In Gujarati, we can translate it to na, ni, no, and so on, so forth. But the condition is, जिसके पीछे आप से लगाएंगे वो शब्द में अ की मात्रा अंत में होनी चाहिए. Okay? It should end with a. Like Nataraj. After removing the visarga, झ के अंदर कौन सी मात्रा है? अ. वेदांत, पार्थ, कल्पेश, कर्ण, निसर्ग. तो वो ग हो या च हो, उसमें अ की मात्रा है. कैसे पता चलेगा अ की मात्रा है? बिकॉज वहां पे आ, ई, उ, ए नहीं है, तो अ की मात्रा है. ठीक है? तो considering this basic concept, let us move and solve the exercise. Let us understand the meaning now. Vedanta is there and Pustakam is there. But the Pustak belongs to Vedant. So we are saying, Kasya Pustakam, whose book? Vedantasya Pustakam. There is one boy named Vedant and this book belongs to him. Vedantasya Pustakam. And in other way, it can also mean there is one Vedanta Upanishad book and book is of the topic Vedant. Okay, that is also possible. Then we are having a boy named Partha and this is Kandukaha. Parthasya Kandukaha. This belongs to Parth. Parth's ball. Parthasya Kandukaha. Then we have a Lekhani that belongs to Kalpesh. Right here. Whose Lekhani? Kasya Lekhani? Kalpeshasya Lekhani. Kalpeshasya Lekhani. Then there is a Kundalam. Which Kundalam? Karna, ears. Karnasya Kundalam. That's why simple, we also call it earrings. So these are rings, but this is earring. Kan ka, ear ka. So Karnasya Kundalam. Then we are having a boy named Nisarga, जिसका नाम ही है nature, but okay, boy का नाम है Nisarga. और ये गृहम किसका है? निसर्गस्य गृहम. Nisargasya griham. See, if you flip this, it also have the bedroom and everything inside it. Okay, but Nisarg घर पे नहीं है, कहाँ गया? पाठशाला. Okay, now you must be wondering, ये तो सब ऐसे नाम का हो गया जिसमें अ हो अंत में, और सभी बॉयज के नेम में अ होता है ना. अब लड़कियों के नाम में स्पेशली जब रेखा, विद्या, कृपा, मीना, अनिक्षा आ की मात्रा में कोई शब्द अंत होता है, so how do we make the Shashti Vibhakti, the genitive case, जिसमें of meaning I? It belongs to this girl. For example, Sheelayaha Pustakam Asti. This book belongs to Sheela. Sheela की पुस्तक है. Sheelayaha. Similarly, any word जिसमें लास्ट में आ की मात्रा होती है, वहां पे हम याहा ऐड करेंगे, जिससे it will be very clear that we want to say of Sheela, of Rekha, of Vidya. That's Dvichakrika. Kasyaha Dvichakrika. Whose cycle this is? Rekha. We'll say Rekhayaha Dvichakrika. This bicycle is of Rekha. Rekhayaha. Then we says कि हमने पूरा एक सेमेस्टर संस्कृत सीखा, बहुत सारे लाइफ लेसन्स इसमें से मिले, तो ये जो हम लाइफ में अप्लाई करते हैं वो किसका प्रभाव है? इस विद्या का. कस्याहा प्रभावः? विद्यायाहा. विद्यायाहा of education. That we are going to school, we are learning something new. is the effect, positive effect of Vidya. And just now we learned only bookish knowledge is not Vidya. Pravasaha, the name of the chapter, is also a part of Vidya. Next is Asandaha. Do you know what is Asandaha? I'll show you. This is a table, Utpithika, with a lot of stationary items given here. And this is Utpithika. So this particular thing is Asandaha, a chair. Asandaha. Now, whose chair? Kasyaha Asandaha? Kripa. So this chair belongs to, this desk is of Kripa, name girl. Kripayaha Asandaha, chair or desk of Kripa. Meena Yaha Pathshala, the school is of Meena. Aniksha Yaha Shatika, this sari belongs to Aniksha. Aniksha, these all are names of girls ending in A. Let's move forward. Now we have to translate the English और गुजराती सेंटेंस टू संस्कृत. इतना ही ध्यान रखना है, जहां पे फ्रॉम होगा वहां पे तह ऐड करना है, और जहां पे टू होगा वहां पे सिर्फ एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. Each and every sentence we are having some or other girl or boy, Aarti, Harsha, and is going to. Gachati will be also common, but these names from and to. So Aarti is going to Rajkot from Junagadh. This is Junagadh, she is going to Rajkot. Harsha is going to Amreli from Junagadh. So to Amreli from Junagadh. So let us make the sentences and then move forward. So our answers are Aarti Junagadh Rajkotam Gachati. Harsha or Harsha, anything is fine, boy or a girl. Harsha or Harsha. Junagadh Amrelim Gachati. So this is to and this is from. Mihir is going to Surat from Junagadh. So from Junagadh will come first. Mihir will be Mihiraha in Sanskrit. Mihiraha Junagadh Suratam Gachati. This is Junagadh and is going to Surat. Kumar is going to Ahmedabad from Bhuj. So Kumaraha Bhujataha Ahmedabadam, or the Sanskrit name Karnavatim Gachati, from Bhuj to Ahmedabad. We have made a special video on the ancient names of all these places in Sanskrit. So just check out the description box and it's good to know आप जहाँ पे रहते हो उसका ancient name क्या है. Okay, so like Ahmedabad is Karnavati. Usha is going to Rajpipla from Baroda. Usha Vadodaratah Rajpiplam Gachati. Vadodaratah Rajpiplam. Okay, next move on. So till now it is very clear कि जहाँ से निकले वहाँ पे तह और जहाँ पहुँचे वहाँ पे म डालना है. So now this is an open-end question where we have been given one example. From which places do the buses come to your village or your city? Describe it in Sanskrit. Lokayana is a word for public transport, bus. Himmatnagarataha Idaram Gachati. Just add Gachati at the last. Idarataha Vattapallim Gachati. Vattapallitaha Bhavanagaram Gachati. Complete the route. And if you are not aware of the route of any bus, just ask your parents और timetable निकालिए कोई भी बस का, उस रूट में जो भी places है तह और म से complete करिए. So I think it's a very good exercise. आपको अपने place की और भी कुछ routes पता चलेंगे. So just do it and let's move on to the next chapter very soon. Dhanyavadaha Punarmilamaha. Do some Paropkar today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. Dhanyavadaha.